How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out an absolutely gorgeous 70 Chevelle SS 454 4-speed. Got the factory cowl induction flapper hood functional. This is a true SS car, Kansas City built with the L code. It's painted a beautiful, beautiful burgundy. Black stripes, show quality. New vinyl top. Stripes are all buried in the clear. Super straight, slick down the sides. Now they did upgrade them to 15-inch SS wheels instead of the 14s. So you can get a lot more tire on the car. You see all the chrome, just beautiful. Got the factory tach and gauge package. Retrofit AM/FM stereo with the Ipod capability. It's got the Hurst Competition Plus shifter in it. Trunk's real nice. Got a matching spare. Factory trunk light, all works. And again, this thing is super, super slick. See that flapper hood? I have to apologize, it's a little windy out here today. It's 454. Got a nice aluminum intake, your factory valve covers on it. A nice aluminum radiator. Motor's been all rebuilt. It just sounds killer. Nice cam in it. See how straight it is down the sides? Beautiful, beautiful car, guys. Just pounds on the ground. Good sounding motor in it. Again, you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.